Put everything together, you get Chinecherem. God thinks for me, or God analyzes my problems. You know what I'm saying? God worries on my behalf. You know, God sees my situation, you know, plans my life out for me, and like he's always basically in my thoughts. He thinks for, basically he thinks for me. You know what I'm saying? Chinecherem. It's almost like he takes care of my problems. He thinks I don't have to do anything, right? It's like he does all the thinking, all the planning, all the worrying. Everything is in God's hands, essentially. That's kind of going a little extra with the the meaning, but it's basically he thinks for me. He has a plan. I don't have to do anything because he's the one. It's his battle, you know. He's the one making sure that everything lines up in my life. He's the one thinking about all the little details.